Natalie Birth here. Please check the previous slides to read the disclaimer so that you understand that this is only a partial review of somebody's profile. This profile is for Mary, who identifies as a leadership coach and executive consultant. Right off the bat, I would say that using this as with just the name of her company, is a lost opportunity to kind of really share what exactly that she does. I don't know who she's being leadership for. I don't know if it's C-suite, large companies, small companies, or what the outcome is of somebody working with her. This would be a really great opportunity. You can keep the logo and everything and maybe put it above her name, but this is a great opportunity to make a declarative statement so that when somebody is there and shows up, they'll see what she does. For some reason, she's chosen not to list what companies and or schools she went to, which I would personally add as a matter of just course. The other thing is that I've noticed is that she has not taken advantage of either services or the featured sections. If she does that, she'll be able to use her branding, colors, and to constantly be reinforcing what she does. Contact me, schedule an appointment with me. Here's the type of stuff that I do. All of those things that are really useful that make people want to engage. The other thing that there's two other things. Usually I only do about three items, but one is to go through and make sure that there are no dreaded gray squares, or I think of them as dreaded gray boxes. The University of Georgia does, in fact, have a business page. So go back, re-add this, take away the dates, re-add that so that you have the actual logos there because people actually look that. I would also do this for volunteering. Also, Crystal City is spelled wrong. And of course, add a business page. So it's and the addition to the experience section is get rid of anything that is over 20 years old or that does not directly feed into what you are currently doing. Now, she's only been doing this for about 3 years, and she clearly has more experience in the world than 3 years. So I'd maybe keep some of the more recent projects that she's worked on, but definitely like the old stuff that's more than 20 years old, unless there's a compelling reason to keep it, I would get rid of all of that stuff. And that's about it. So thank you to Mary for allowing me to review her profile. And if you would like to have a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you when I'm able to do it.